Hi, my name is Juergen Hoehne, and this is how to find a user in Qualtrics. Qualtrics is the fabulous survey tool made by SAP that works great with Salesforce and other tools. Here's how you do it. You sign in, right? Then typically you would think everything's in like the dashboard, the XM Qualtrics dashboard, where you have dashboard data, ticket data, notifications, response waiting, user admin, translation, date and time benchmark, right, and actions. But it actually moved. It moved to here where you access it. And this is how it looks. They have a whole user admin. I duplicated myself 22 times, something like that, for privacy. On the upper right, you can have bulk actions, and add or edit actions. And then on the far upper right, you see the 9 dots. That's where you can get the other segments of Qualtrics. Now, let's take a look at how a user looks. User admin, Adam, last name here, right? Metadata, org hierarchies, what are their roles? And here's the final setting. Password, A. B, time zone and language. And C is if you need to have Qualtrics access your account for support. And on the upper right is Juergen Hoehne, the account settings, refresh, log out. And on the far upper right is where you get to the rest of Qualtrics. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And here's the final thing, the IDs, the default directory, right? The org ID, the API documentation over here, where you can generate a token and link it into Salesforce or whatever, right? That's it. Thank you very much.